Hi friends! Christmas is such a special time of year. We love giving and receiving gifts, don't we? But did you know that we can also give gifts to God? That's right. Whatever you do for others, it's like you're doing it for Him. This Christmas, let's prepare our hearts by giving gifts that show love, kindness, and care, just like Jesus taught us. Today, I'm going to share some awesome ideas to get you started. One way we can give a gift to God is by serving others. It could be something simple, like sweeping or mopping the floor without being asked. Maybe you can fold laundry for your family, or even organize a messy drawer. You could also take out the trash, make breakfast or a snack for your family, or help decorate the house for Christmas. These small acts of service are gifts to God because they show love and care for the people around us. Here's another fun idea. Write an encouraging note for someone in your family and leave it for them to find. It's a great way to brighten their day. Next, think about how you can serve your neighbors. With your parents, you could shovel snow or rake leaves for someone who needs help, like an elderly neighbor. Maybe you can deliver homemade cookies or help take care of a neighbor's pet. Every small act of kindness counts. Another gift you can give to God is the gift of prayer. You can pray for someone who's sick, for your family, or even for your pastor or teacher. Try keeping a list of people to pray for, or even write out a prayer and give it to someone to encourage them. God loves it when we talk to Him and pray for others. You can also give to others by sharing what you have. Donate toys, books, or clothes to a local charity, or use some of your allowance to help buy food for a food pantry. Do you like being creative? You could make handmade cards or small care packages with snacks and gifts for people who need a little extra joy this Christmas. Kindness is another wonderful way to give to God. Smile and say hello to someone who looks lonely. Give a compliment, or even hold the door open for someone. These little actions might seem small, but they make a big difference in someone's day, and they make God smile. You can also give a gift to God by growing closer to Him. Read a Bible story with your family, memorize a new verse, or share your favorite Bible verse with a friend. When we take time to grow in our faith and share God's love with others, we're giving God the best gift of all, our hearts. Every time you do one of these things, it's like giving a gift to Jesus. Remember, the Bible tells us in Matthew chapter 6, verses 3-4, to give in secret without letting others know because God sees your heart and rewards you. So this Christmas, let's prepare our hearts for Jesus by giving Him the gift of love, kindness, and service. Which one of these ideas will you try first? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Oh, and have a Merry Christmas!